Florida's real estate market has officially cooled off, and it's not just by a little.
According to new data, 7 out of the 10 fastest cooling housing markets in the entire US are right here in Florida. So what's going on? And is this something buyers and sellers should worry about?
Hey everyone, welcome back to Central Florida Homes and Insights. I'm Rebecca Guy.
And I'm Brandon Cook. And today we're breaking down the latest housing data, showing where prices are dropping fastest in Florida, and what's causing it, and what it means to our market moving into 2026.
The big picture, prices are cooling off across Florida. As we move through the fall season, the housing market nationwide is cooling, and Florida is leading the pack.
A new report from real estate analytics firm Cotality found that 7 out of 10 coolest markets in the country are here in the Sunshine State.
Top of the list, Cape Coral, Florida, which saw home prices fall 7.1% year over year in September. This is the second largest drop in the entire United States, only behind Campion, Illinois.
Next up, we're Naples with 6.7% drop, Punta Gorda with 6.2% drop, Sebring 5.2%, Northport 5.1%, Brownsville 4.8%, and Sebastian at 4.6% drop, all experiencing noticeable slowdowns.
Why is this happening? So what's driving this? Experts say it's a mix of national and local factors. First off, mortgage rates. Even though they've recently dropped to around 6.72%, they're much higher than they were most of 2024 and early 2025, pricing many buyers out.
Then there's insurance cost, and Florida is ground zero for that problem. In Cape Coral, for example, homeowners are paying some of the highest premiums in the country.
A homeowner with a $350,000 property might pay $7,700 a year just for insurance, giving Cape Coral a 2.2% premium to market ratio, which is the third highest in the entire United States.
And with the higher HOA fees, rising property taxes, and limited job growth in some of these coastal areas, it's created a perfect storm where affordability is being squeezed.
Cape Coral's story, from boom to reset. Cape Coral is a great example. During the pandemic boom, houses were flying off the market as buyers flooded in for sunshine, space, and affordability.
But fast forward to today, the typical single-family home now sells for about $350,000, down about 7% from last year, and more than 13% below the 2022 peak.
It's also one of the top metros in the United States for foreclosure activity, ranking it third amongst U.S. cities with a population over 200,000.
But local agents say it's not a crash. It's more of a correction. Inventory has grown, prices are normalizing, and while distressed sales are up, there's no sign of a 2008 style collapse.
What this means for buyers and sellers. For buyers, this cooling trend could be a real opportunity. With more inventory and less competition, you have more room to negotiate. And with rates trending down, affordability is slowly improving.
And for sellers, this means pricing strategy matters more than ever. Gone are the days of overpricing and still getting multiple offers. If your home isn't priced right or show ready, it's going to sit.
So if you're selling, focus on presentation, professional photos, curb appeal, and pricing it smart. If you're buying, stay patient. Great deals are starting to pop up, especially in markets like Cape Coral and Northport.
The bottom line, a market rebalancing, not a crash. What we're really seeing here is a market correction, not a crash. After years of double-digit price growth, Florida's housing market is simply finding balance again.
And now remember, not all areas are cooling equally. Coastal and retirement-heavy markets are feeling it the most, but areas like Orlando, Lakeland, and Davenport are still seeing a steady demand thanks to job growth and new construction.
So if you're buying or selling in 2025, stay informed, work with an experienced agent, and don't panic. Shifts like this are part of a healthy cycle.
If you want to know what's happening in your specific area, whether prices are stabilizing or still rising, click the link in our description box to schedule a consultation. We'll walk you through the latest local data.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to stay ahead of market trends. We'll keep bringing you real insights from right here in Central Florida.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye!